to see ya. I'm always generating and it's nice to meet ya. I'm here looking fly and we're rocking the runway, create and generate nearly every day. You see, this one is an experiment to see how it works, to make a music video with multi-cuts on the verse. But we don't stop there, we gotta get to the hook. I think it looks good and I got you all shook. This morning I had an idea, so I wrote it down. Then I logged into Runway and started playing around. A couple hours later, I had all that I need, so I threw it all together so that you could all see. Man, it's getting kinda crazy, all the stuff you can do. I can rap underwater or could be on the moon. The idea in your brain is what sparks the start. It's your own self-doubt that will tear it apart. Open up your computer and just create, so everyone can hear your story resonate. Make anything you like or make nothing at all. Simulate the world around us, big or small. This morning I had an idea, so I wrote it down. Then I logged into Runway and started playing around. A couple hours later, I had all that I need, so I threw it all together